What's up, everybody? Josh Campbell from MarineMax St. Pete. Today I'm going to bring you aboard the Sea Ray 280 SLX, where comfort, performance, and luxury all come together to give you just an amazing day on the water. Starting back here in the transom, you'll notice this boat is powered by twin 250 V8s, giving you plenty of speed and a comfortable ride everywhere you want to go. We've got this nice sea-decked aft platform here with a starboard side boarding ladder. Very nice on the feet. Great place to, load and unload. Looking forward, you've got a big sun lounger here. I think they did a great job laying this out. We've got cup holders and stereo controls. And then going underneath, we've got a huge storage port side, access to your battery switches. But down in there, you could store your inflatables or inner tubes. And there is a 12-volt socket there for putting an inflatable pump. Right here, we've got a nice little cooler under here. So, you do have your coolers forward, but for when you want to have a couple drinks back here and not be back and forth while you're swimming at the sandbar, great place to just throw some ice and some drinks. Let's make our way up into the cockpit. As we make our way into the cockpit, we've got a wide starboard side entry with more storage on the floor and a door that shuts off the transom from the cockpit. Right up above me here, we've got a large manual sunshade that'll slide back, providing extra shade for your guests back here. I think Sea Ray did an amazing job with the layout of the cockpit on this boat. It is spacious, it's well appointed, a ton of seating with cup holders, cooler storage, storage under all the seats. And one really neat thing is that some of our northern boaters prefer the SLX with an inboard. Here in Florida, we like the outboards, but having the outboards on this boat leaves you with this awesome space in here for, yet again, more storage and easy access getting down into your bilge and all your pumps. I mentioned luxury with this boat. If you look around, you'll notice the diamond stitching seats, diamond stitching upholstery, diamond stitching on the seat backs, and nice leather with white stitching up on the console. Just very pleasing on the eyes and beautiful, beautiful boat. We do have an aft cockpit table here. Great place to set that up. It stores neatly up in the bow. I'll show you where it sits at. But both the captain and the co-captain's chairs will swivel to face the guests and make this just a huge entertaining zone so you can be sitting with all of your guests and enjoying. Let's check out the helm. Here from the captain's point of view, I've got a great range of vision, not only looking forward and seeing over the bow comfortably while sitting down and underway, but I can glance back and see all my guests, make sure everybody's safe. As I mentioned, looking forward here, we've got our dual SIMRAD display dash with our Sea Ray screen giving us full boat control right here at our fingertips. So whether it be adjusting lights or checking all your levels of fluids on the boat, you can do that right here in the screen. We've got our main stereo control here, access to our windlass switches, and then we've got our Mercury digital shift and throttle, as well as joystick and an induction phone charger right behind me here. Just a really nicely laid out dash and a great captain's perspective while you're sitting there. Here port side, we've got a spacious head on the boat. Make your way in there. We've got a sink and toilet. Like I said, very spacious. Let's make our way up to the bow. As you make your way into the bow, you'll notice the windshield and door that can be shut here, closing the back off, keeping you out of the wind while underway. As we make our way forward here, another great social zone up here with adjustable armrests for these bow loungers, storage underneath, and then I did mention the aft table. We do have another table for up here, which is conveniently stored right under the front seat right here. So Bella, let's take a look at there. We do have our table storage in there, as well as the filler cushions, so you can fill this area in here, be one big sun lounger. So again, neat area, more cup holders up here, high gunnels, and a nice handrail to hang on to. Looking all the way forward here, we've got our windlass. Easy to use, in and out with controls right here and at the helm, as well as a freshwater wash down. So when you pull the anchor up, we're gonna spray it off right there and be done with that. Make our way back to the dock. Thank you guys for coming aboard the Sea Ray 280 SLX. Remember, my name is Josh Campbell from MarineMax St. Pete. My cell phone number is 813-401-1968. If you want to come check us out, give me a call. Be happy to walk you through any of our models here. We'll see you on the water.